Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Learn with Surbhi. And today's topic is algebraic identities. Identities means a statement of equality which holds for all values of the variables. It means एक ऐसी स्टेटमेंट ऑफ इक्वालिटी जिसके अंदर राइट हैंड साइड एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो वेरिएबल्स हैं उनमें हम कोई भी वैल्यू पुट करें, both sides will always equal. Let's take an example. Here we have an algebraic expression 4x plus 3y is equal to 10. In this expression, when we take the value of x as 2 and value of y as 2, after putting this value in this equation, we get 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2. What we will get? 4 2s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6. So we got 14. That is not equal to right hand side. As right hand side we are having 10. So this expression of equality is not fulfilled when we take the value of x as 2 and value of y as 2. Let's take the value of x as 5 and y as 3. After putting the value of x and y in this algebraic expression, we got 4 into 5 plus 3 into 3. So we get 4 5s are 20 plus 3 3s are 9. So we get 29. Again, this is not equal to right hand side. Now let's take the value of x as 1 and value of y as 2. After putting these value in the same algebraic expression, what we will get? 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 2. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 2s are 6 and that is equal to right hand side. So what we find? This algebraic expression is not true for all values of these variables. x and y की किसी भी वैल्यू के लिए ये इक्वेशन ट्रू नहीं है, सही नहीं है. Only for particular values of x and y, this algebraic expression is true. But what are identities? Identity is a statement of इक्वालिटी जिसमें वेरिएबल के अंदर हम कोई सी भी वैल्यू पुट करें तो राइट हैंड साइड एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बोथ विल बी इक्वल. लेट्स लर्न अबाउट द फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू आइडेंटिटी फर्स्ट a plus b whole square will always be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you may ask, ma'am, how we come to know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square? Let's see. A plus b whole square means a plus b multiplied by a plus b. Multiply this a plus b by this a first. So what we will get? A plus b multiplied by a. Then put the plus sign over here. Now multiply this a plus b by this b. What we will get? A plus b multiplied by b. We will get a square plus ab. Now multiply this a plus b by b. What we will get? ab plus b square. Now ab plus ab. What we will get? 2ab. Now write down this complete. Over here a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let's see. This is left hand side जो हमने अभी सॉल्व करी है and that is equal to right hand side a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's take an example to understand this identity. In this example, we have to solve this using identity first. Using identity first, A is equal to 7PQ and B is equal to 4AB. Okay? In this question, we have taken A as 7PQ and B as 4AB. Now using identity first, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now at the place of A we have to put 7PQ and at the place of B we have to put 4AB. Let's see. A plus B, that is 7PQ plus 4AB whole square is equal to 7PQ whole square. As here is A square, it means 7PQ whole square plus 2 multiplied by A, and A is 7PQ. 7PQ multiplied by B. And what is B? B is 4AB. Now put plus sign over here. B square. What is B? 4AB. 4AB whole square. This is B square. This is 4AB whole square. Now solve this equation. 7PQ whole square means हमें 7 का भी स्क्वायर करना है, P का भी स्क्वायर करना है और Q का भी स्क्वायर करना है. So what we will get? 49 P square Q square plus 2 sevens are 14, 14 fours are 56. PQ multiplied by AB, what we will get? PQAB plus square of 4AB. It means square of 4, square of A, square of B. So what we will get? We will get 16A square B square. And this is the answer. Let's do another type of question. In this, we have to evaluate 101 square using identity first. When we have to use identity first, the algebraic expression must be in binomial form. It means there should be two terms. So we have to convert 101 in binomial form. और हमें ऐसी फॉर्म करना होगा जिसका स्क्वायर हम इजीली निकाल सकें. Like square of 100 is easy to find, that is 10,000. So we have to convert this 101 in binomial form. Let's see how. 101 square is equal to 100 plus 1 whole square. And by using identity first, where A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 1. Now, the identity is A plus B whole square, that is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now, put the value of A and B in this identity. What we will get? 100 plus 1 whole square is equal to 100 square plus 2 multiplied by 100, that is A, multiplied by 1, that is B, plus square of 1 as B square, and at the place of B we have to put 1. Now solve this. Square of 100, that is 10,000, plus 2 multiplied by 100, that is 200, multiplied by 1, that is 200. 200 plus square of 1, that is 1. So what will be the answer? 10,000 plus 200 plus 1. We got 10,201. Let's take one more example. in this we have to evaluate square of 10.2 using identity first. First we have to convert this number in binomial form, और हमें ऐसे बाइनोमियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना होगा कि जिसमें हम दोनों टर्म्स का स्क्वायर इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकें. लेट्स सी 10.2 we can write it as 10 plus 0.2 whole square. लिख सकते हैं हम ऐसे, because 10 plus 0.2 will equal to 10.2. So both are equal. Now use identity first, and according to the identity first, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 0.2. Now put the value of a and b in this identity. So what we will get? 10 plus 0.2 whole square on the left hand side, and on the right hand side a square, that is square of 10, plus 2ab, that is 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 0.2. Now b square, at the place of b square we have to put the value of b, that is square of 0.2. Okay, now solve this. Square of 10, that is 100, plus 2 multiplied by 10 we get 20. 20 multiplied by 0.2, what we will get? We get 4. Now square of 0.2, that is 0.2 multiplied by 0.2, what we will get? We will get 0.04. Now add all these. 100 plus 4, that is 104, plus 0.04. So what we will get? 104.04. So this is the solution of 10.2 whole square using identity 1. I hope you understood how to use identity first in solving such type of questions.